Hello guys, today in this tutorial I will show you how to use array object concat, and in the previous tutorial I had shown you how to use array concat. So if you did not watch my previous tutorial, so I will recommend it to you watch my previous tutorial, and I will provide the link in description. So please go to description and watch this tutorial, because without watching array concat you will not understand how to use array object concat. So guys, let's start this video. So first of all, to explain this array object concat, I will create two array. So first, the var array1, this is the first array variable name, array1, but you can write any name of this array variable. And now this array, and I will create an object. So curly braces, and here I will write the property is name. You can write any property name and any value. So I will write the property name is name, and here I will put some value like a, b, c, d, and again I will create another object. So I will copy that, and just I will change the name value is e, f, g, h, and this is the first array. And now I will create a second array. So var and second array variable name is, I will write array2 equals to array, and now again I will create object. So here the first object property name, and the name value is, I will write ijkl, and again I will create another object. So copy this one, comma, and I will change it mnop, but you can put any value as per your choice, and you can write anything instead of name. So now here I have created two array, array1 and array2. So now I want to concat array2 into the array1. So here first of all, if you watch my previous tutorial, so you will know how to concat that. So here I will show you again. So first of all, I will write a variable that is output, variable name output, and I want to concat array2 into the array1. So the array1 variable, that means this one. So I will remove this. So I will minimize this array1 and this array2, so you will look at it better. So now I want to concat this array1. So array1 dot concat parenthesis, and which I want to concat, just array2. So I will copy this one and I will paste here. So save it, and now I will go to the browser and inspect, and I will open the console, and just here refresh it. So I think I did not save it. Oh, I save it, but I did not console. So console dot log, and I have to console this out. So that's why we are not getting value in console, because I did not print it in console. So now I add this output variable in console.log, and inside this output variable I store array1, which is concatenating array2. So now refresh it. So here you can see now the first array value name, and after that the second array's value. So now you can see here is the concat 2 array. So the first array abcd, and this is the name, and after that is concatenating to array2. So that array concat used to concat the array into one array. So these two array, now these two arrays value, now we are getting into a single array. So this is the use of array concat. So this is, so now I will show you the another example, that is here I will remove this one, and I will open it, and suppose you want to concat a object here like this. So if you want to add this object using array concat. So how you can do it? So first of all, I will remove from here. I will add this object using array concat. So the same way, first I will write a variable. So variable name is output equals to, and now array1 again and dot concat, and now I want to concat a object. So how to create object? At that, when we want to concat object, so we create object using curly braces. So here we have to be write also curly braces, and now we want to concat a property that is name. So again here I will write name, and the name value we want to concat IJKL. So this way, save. Sorry, I have to be write here in console.log again, and I want to print this output variable. So semicolon, save, and now check it. So now here is the array, one array, and you can see it's concat a object IJKL, which I concat here. So how to concat object? Just here have to be write curly braces, object property and object value. So this way you can concat. Suppose you want to change here name, you can change it role. So just here you can write here 2 and save, and just check it, and here you can see it's concat 2 role 2. So this way you can concat a object in array. So hope guys this video will help to you, and if you want to get more videos in JavaScript, please subscribe and press the notification bell icon.